Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing on SDK that is released by the OpenAI, that is OpenAI agents. So this is a very simple SDK which will help us to easily manage the agents. Okay. So I'm not going to talk about like what is agents and its advantages because we have discussed all those things in our previous video. So in this video, we'll be just concentrating on how can we install the OpenAI agent SDK and how can we use that. For that, I have my Visual Studio Code is open, and in the .env file, I have my OpenAI key. Okay. Now let's go to the console and let me install the SDK. For that, I can use pip install OpenAI agents. Okay, so this is the installation command. Just enter it. Okay, so the installation is completed. Now we need like one more package that has to be installed. So this is to load the environment file. So for that, I can use pip install python.env. Okay, so that is already installed, so no need to install it again. Fine. Now let me have a hello world file. I can create a hello world.py file. Okay, so once that is created, we can start writing the code. So the installation is completed, so I can import from agent. So let me check my environment file. So this should be, so this is my environment. Let me select that. Okay, now from agents I can import agent, and also I can import the runner. So agent can be defined very easily. I can use agent. So agent should have a name. Okay, I can give a name like assistant. Now I can give the instruction. Okay, here I can say you are a helpful assistant. Okay, so agent creation is done. This is very simple. Now we can define a result variable. Here I can say runner dot. Now let me run it in a sync mode. Here I can pass the agent, and I can just say that write a haiku about recursion in programming. Just a sample thing. Okay, we'll see how this will work. Now let's print it. Result dot final output. Okay, so once this is done, I can go and run it. So let me go to the terminal. Let me run python hello world.py. We'll see the result. See, we are getting the result. So this is very simple hello world, in which like we can create a agent variable and we can run it using the runner method. Okay, now we can see how can we create a multiple agents and how can we do the hands off between these agents. Okay, so for that, let me create another file. I can create as a name handoff.py, and in the same way I can, from agents we can import the agent, and I can import the runner. And let me import a Asyncio. Now just define a Spanish agent. Okay, so the agent will be name, which is I can give a Spanish agent. Okay, so the instruction will be, I can say you only speak Spanish. Now we can have a English agent. Here I can say name will be English agent, the instruction will be you can only speak English. Okay. Now what we can do, I can create a Triage agent. This is also will be a agent type, and the name I can give, this is a agent. I can give the instruction as handoff to the appropriate agent based on the language of the request. Okay, so this is kind of a manager agent that will switch or that will select which one of this agent based on this request. Okay, now we need to pass this agents here, so I can define which all mention the agents that is participates in this story. So here I can pass the Spanish agent, and also I can pass the English agent. Okay, so the agent creation part is done. Now we can define the main method. We have the main method. Here we can keep our result. I can run the runner.run. Okay, here I can pass the Triage agent, and here I am going to input as hi, how are you? Okay, so this is my English agent. So this the Triage agent must select the English agent for in this scenario. So we'll see that. Now let me print it, result dot this must be like final result. Okay, now we can define the call this method. What we can do, I can call synchro.run, just mention the main. Okay, so we have done with the programming. Now we can run it. Just go and run it. handoff.py, just execute it. Okay, so we are getting some errors. So let me see that we have the asynchronously, we have a result, and this must have a weight is we are missing. Okay, now let me see this final output. Okay, so it's working fine. Now let me execute it again. So the execution is in progress. Okay, now it is selecting the English agent. So it says that, okay, hello, I am doing well, thank you, how can I assist you today? Okay, now let's take a Spanish one. So I have some Spanish notice here. So let me go and paste it here. We'll see what will happen now. Okay, now let me execute it. So execution is progress. Okay, now the agent is selected, automatically selected the Spanish agent, and it is answering the result, or it is asking the question in the Spanish way. Okay, so that is how that is in this way we can easily integrate or easily communicating between the different agents. Okay, so that is all about in this video. In our coming videos we can discuss more about this framework. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.